Hello class, I'm going to work out this problem for you. So let's first examine the problem. So basically what we have is we have a set of parallel lines here. Here we have a triangle, and this symbol tells us it's a 90-degree angle, so it's a right triangle. We also have these two lines are parallel, and also this line and this line are parallel. So basically in this problem we have three sets of parallel lines. So if we think of, let's start with this set over here. This is the transversal. Here are the parallel lines. So 115 is a corresponding angle. It's in the same position as M. So M is 115 degrees. And then we can look at M and N. M and N are a linear pair. So linear pairs of angles add up to 180. So 180 minus 115 gives us 65 degrees. Now if we look in here, I is a 90-degree angle, so write that down. And now if we move over here, we have, let's look at these two parallel lines. We have a transversal coming up this way. So again, if I look at angle 130, at this parallel line, it corresponds to angle D on this parallel line. So D is 130 degrees. If we look at B, B is a vertical angle with 130. So B is also 130 degrees. Now to find A, we can think again, this is a linear pair. So 130 and 50 give us 180. For C, we could either think linear pair with this angle, or we could think vertical angles with angle A. So this is also 50 degrees. Okay, now to find E, we have tons of choices. We can think E is a corresponding angle with A. We can think E is an alternate interior angle with C. Or we could think of it as a linear pair with D. So in all three cases, E works out to be 50 degrees. Okay, now let's think this way. So here's we're thinking in terms of these two parallel lines. Here's the transversal. So if we look at angle H, it's a corresponding angle with B. It's also actually an alternate exterior angle with this angle. In both cases, H is 130. Now, if we look at this transversal this way, we can get our final angles. So if H is 130, G corresponds with H, so G is 130. F is a linear pair, so F is 50. Looks like 60, but that's a 5. Okay, that's that one. Actually, we forgot K. K and 25 is a linear pair, so K has to be 155 degrees. 180 minus 25 is 155.